Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share with you all the top 5 free image to video converter. These AI tools will bring images to life. These are amazing and unbelievable. So let's start the video. Come to the first website, myheritage.com. Here you will have to upload the photo. See how realistic it look like. It look like somebody recorded from mobile phone. So now you can download it. Come to the second website, leapix.com. This is one of the most popular image to video converter on the internet nowadays, and this is totally free of cost. So here upload the photo. See how realistic it look like. It look like so real. So now you can download it by clicking on share button. Click on MP4. Save it. Come to the next website, animated drawing. Here you will have to upload the image or any kind of drawing like they are showing. So upload the image. Click on next. See the result. These are the features. Whatever kind of video you want. So select it. Do the full screen. Now the next website is PIKA Labs. So you will have to join through Discord. So I have given the link of the Discord. By clicking on that link, you will have to accept the invitation and you will come to this interface. Here you will have to click any one of generate. So I'll click generate 2. Here you will have to type / create. Click on prompt. Here you will have to click on plus button. Add the image. I'll give it a spaceship moving. A spaceship moving. Click enter. Now it will take 10 to 15 seconds. Now here is the problem that you will have to find your video. So go down. See, here is my video. Now you can download it. The next website is GID. So click on create video. Here you can add any character. Otherwise there are so many characters given. So choose it, any one. So I choose this one. Here you will have to type your script. Give the script. Choose the language. Choose the voice. Click on generate video. Click generate. And here is the result. Just download it.
Hi there, this video is made with Did AI. This is amazing tool to bring life to images. Hi there, this video is made with Did AI. This is amazing tool to bring life to images. Hi there, this video is made with Did AI. This is amazing tool to bring life to images.
So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. All the best.